This year I started out with 2 rams till the water went down. I was able to cut off. I ran 2 rams till late August this year. The creek didn't fall as quick. Plus, I made some adjustments to my ram. They run a little more effective in the respect that I shortened the stroke on them. Was running them way too long, flowed too much water. Last year, I had a hard time keeping one going all year long. By shortening sail on these things and shortening the stroke and cutting them off quicker, I got just as much water. Actually, I got more water because I could run 2 rams then, and I shortened sail on both of them and made them work a lot quicker. I had to actually add a little weight, but closed up the hole a little bit more. Made them run a little more, I would say, more efficiently. Because my water flow went up considerably. I had more water than I ever could use all summer long, and I was back flowing for most of flowing overflow for most of the summer. You can see now the red ram is actually shut down as the creek waters fell. These things return about 70% of the water that goes through them, if they're working right, 70% back to the creek. So, and then my overflow this year, I plumb back to the creek, so that makes it a little more earth-friendly. Everything here is very passive. These pipes will actually, this year I'm going to take baling twine and tie them up in about head high in a tree, kind of leave them in this position. I'm going to pull the rams out. I'm going to set my receiver barrel up on the bank and lift my 4-inch pipe out of the creek, and I'm sitting on rocks and sticks and things. I've poured no concrete. I've built no dams. So very passive and very earth-friendly system. Like I said, I have sticks laid across the creek. I do have to say that cut 2x4s and such work nice. It's sitting on 2 rocks, and as long as the dog doesn't get in here and splash around and knock my boards over, I'm doing pretty good. I come down here and reset them up every once in a while, but all in all, a very passive, very earth-friendly way to pump water. Again, you don't have to build any dams, no electricity, no fuels. You're not hurting any of the flora and fauna. If your creek is really brushy, you may have to take out a couple briars, but you can see this is pretty much done as the creek is and fairly natural. So no need to build a dam, no need to use diesel power or gas power. I have a diesel generator or diesel pump and a couple gas pumps. I haven't used them all summer. Didn't even use them to fill the tank. I put the ram in early, and it filled the 3,000-gallon tank in about 3 days. So that was without hardly a problem. And that was only 1 ram. I've since put the extra ram in, and would have been able to fill it in probably half that time or a fourth that time. So with the adjustments I've made, I've learned a lot this summer on this. Worked out real well, especially the garden hose. A lot easier to handle the garden hoses than it is the plastic rigid pipe or the flex pipe. You'll notice on these I'm using a garden hose Y with 1 open end, and the reason why I do that is I shut the ram off, and then I shut off the line going up the hill, and then it's real easy to just bleed the ram down. You open the open side, and that lets the water out, and then it should blow air at you, and close everything up, turn everything back on, and your ram is now recharged with air.